Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to give a quick update on Bitcoin and where the price might go in the next couple of hours or days. So right now I'm on the monthly time frame, and the monthly candle closes in a day and 19 hours. So we had a doji candle back in April, and then we had the whole dump thing going, and then all the way down to 28,000 and some change, right? 796. So using Fibonacci, if you pull out your Fibonacci tool and you measure down from the top all the way to the bottom here, right? You'll see that we already touched the 618 Fibonacci zone, which means that we're probably going to bounce back up. So if we if you measure down from the bottom here so far all the way to the peak, you'll see that you can see that the Fibonacci 618 zone over here, right, is where on the monthly time frame is where we might go next, right? So so 618 resistance zone, right? So we're more than likely to bounce back up to the 618 zone, which is somewhere around 51 and 48. Okay, so looking down on the weekly, right? So we don't need this anymore. Basically, it was the measurement for this move right here from 60K down, and then we had the extension, Fibonacci extension 1618 down here, which we broke, and we went to the second extension, Fibonacci extension 2618, which we touched, right, and we bounced back. Right now we're currently going with, I'll show you in a minute. If we measure this retrace right here, this move, you can see that this resistance zone right here, which we touched and we failed to break, is the 618 zone for this move right here, from this move to this move, okay? And the 161 extension for this move is right here, okay? And the second extension, Fibonacci extension, is right here, okay? So if we can break out of the 618 zone on the weekly time frame, or the daily, if we can break out of this zone right here, we can potentially we can potentially go to the 161 zone, okay? So however, if we fail to break that zone, then we're most likely we're most likely to go down to the we're most likely to go down to the 161 sorry to the 161 zone right here. Okay, so since on the monthly time frame we already touched the 618 zone, then we're more likely to go back up to the 161, as I said earlier. So in this case, if we can break this resistance zone right here, over here, you could see we've been kind of like already going trading sideways. We touched 35 and 30K. So for the last couple of days, we've been just kind of like zigzagging, going sideways between 35 and 30K. So it's kind of like stagnant right now. So if we can pretty much break, if let's say you enter here past the break, so if we break out of the resistance zone, you enter with enough volume, and you set your stop loss somewhere, let's say that's your target, and your stop loss can be somewhere, measure this, set it below this. Set your stop loss below right here, which would give you a 2.96 risk reward ratio, which is pretty good. Anyways, so if you guys like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you have any stocks or coin that you would like me to chart for you, I'll just leave it down in the comment below. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.